All right, y'all. You're back and we're back. And we're back with another unboxing. Oh my God, there's that knife. I'm so sorry, y'all. That knife just scares me. But anyway, I had a package at my doorstep. This one, and then this one was sitting on my bench outside. So let's open them up and see what's in them. All right, you guys. I got some chopsticks that I ordered off Amazon in this nice replica Gucci messenger bag. Isn't it beautiful? I love it, you guys. I just adore it. It is the cutest thing. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Look at that. He is so nice. He is beautiful. Let me see the inside. Oh my. Nice little flap. Here. This is how it looks before you unzip them. Unzip. Oh wow. Some things inside. Looks like, ooh, what's this? Child, this is a cup or something. Oh, wow. This is something that my nail tech gave me. Or not my nail tech, you guys. I apologize. My purse lady. My purse lady. My purse connect girl. My purse plug. Girls trip. Isn't that cute, you guys? It's got Kamala Harris. It's got Coretta Scott King. Sojourner Truth. It's even got Rosa Parks back there. Wow. That is nice. I really like this, you guys. So I'm going to have to tell her thank you. Because it's so nice. I wasn't expecting that. Wonderful. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. Beautiful. That is nice, you guys. All of our trailblazer ladies. And then I've got this nice, I'm speechless, y'all. I didn't expect her to have that in there, and I'm glad I did not rough handle this bag, because I didn't know that was in there. I got this nice attachable handle that I can use to make it a crossbody as well, because as you see, it already has one that comes attached to it that's quite nice as well too. But it's a nice big roomy bag. Like I said, this is my purse plug, so I'm not comfortable giving you guys her information because I did not get a disclosure from her, and I will not be giving her information to you. But these bags, sometimes I get replica bags from her and they're really nice. So this is my Gucci replica messenger bag, and then here is the back. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that nice? And then, like I said, she gave me this nice mug. I wasn't expecting this. With all of our trailblazer ladies. That looked like Natalie Cole up in there too. Like, wow, you guys. All these trailblazer women in there. She got Coretta driving. Kamala's in the seat too. Like, wow, girls. Ladies. Black ladies. Our heroes. Okay? And then I got these nice chopsticks from Amazon. Because I eat a lot of Asian food, you guys. And sometimes when I order, they don't always have these chopsticks in my meals. So I got so disgusted with the chopsticks that they didn't bring me that I said to myself, I'm gonna get me some chopsticks, y'all. And here they are. They're beautiful. That's why I wanted to share them with you guys, because they're gorgeous. Look at these. Beautiful, you guys. So, and they're fiberglass or fiberware. And I have 10 pairs, and these came off of Amazon. They weren't very expensive at all, maybe about $7 or $8. And they're beautiful. They match my kitchen. And I will be making sure that I use them because I love using chopsticks, especially with my sushi or my ramen bowls. I love them. So there you go. My unboxing with my girls trip mug. I'm going to have to call her and tell her thank you. And my purse. Thank you. All right, y'all. Peace out.